Hi, Rana here from Technical Rescue Team for Lemon. Today we will learn how to fetch the DNS records like SPF, DMOD, DKIM, MX records into the Google Sheet for the multiple domains in bulk. So for this purpose, I have written a Google Apps script code. And you can find this code into the description of this video. So I'm using this. Click the save button. So for pasting this code, go to the extension, click on the app script code. You will see this window. Paste the code here, replace everything with this code. Click save and come back. Refresh your sheet. You will see a menu here, DNS tools. So before this, I will write some domains here. Lemon.com, legal.com, and the next domain is sudo. Okay, now click on the DNS tools, click the check DNS records, and it will ask you for authorization first time. Click OK, select the account, and click advance. Go to untitled project and save. Allow the script. It's done. Now again click on the DNS tool, click the check DNS records. You can see here it's now fetching the SPF record, DMARC, and the MX records. So now you can easily fetch the records for the multiple domains at once. Tap the like button, subscribe the channel if you want more videos like this. Thank you.